A few months after we started our Manok Pinoy breeding program, eto na tayo. Daily ngayon ay nakaka-gather na tayo ng 120 to 130 eggs. And ito yung pinakamaraming napisa natin. 200 plus ito. So if you would notice, karamihan mga itim. Ito mga itim na ito actually ay Black Australian Orpington. And crossed ito sa yung ating Acel Oriental, yung Pawakan. So this is the Manok Pinoy. And yung ibang maputi-puti, yun yung Plymouth Barred Rock. So as we move along, dadami itong ating production. Hopefully we'll be able to reach about 1,000 chicks every week. And by then, we will be ready with our free-range chicken raising program or farming program na ipapakalat natin sa buong probinsya. Kasi ang vision ko talaga, gawin ko ang North Cotabato na free-range chicken capital or producer of the Philippines.